you going, Riley?
Snowmobiling.
We're going outside. In the snow. Yeah, let's go outside. Let's go outside. You ready? We go outside. What's all this white stuff? Oh, nice, Daddy. You might want to, like, tie the shoelaces on you. Oh my goodness. The snow. Honey, I really can't follow you.
Hi. Close the door, would you?
Riley, look at Mommy. Hey, Snow Bunny.
We're dreaming of a white Valentine's Day.
Hi, Snow Baby.
That's what we're doing. It's going to be a white Valentine's Day.
You in the snow.
It's cold out here, though.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Very deep, too. Look how far Daddy is in. Look at that. This is your first big snowstorm. What's all this white stuff? Why don't you taste it? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Coming back inside?
More snow than you.
Your hood came off.
Look at all that snow. It's cold. It's the cold stuff.
It's too cold. Hi, cutie. Say hi. Why are you chewing on your mitten so much?
There's my fingers underneath there.
Hey. Check out the snow, honey.
Look at that.
It's a whiteout. It's a whiteout. Oh my goodness. Okay, sweetie, you want to go back inside?
Yep.
You just want to keep eating those gloves. Okay. Say bye-bye, Snow. Bye-bye, Snow. Bye, Riley. Say bye-bye.
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 Stay out there. We'll stay inside.
Oh.